Are you looking for the best heat-resistant gloves in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best heat-resistant gloves that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Artisan Griller Redefining Outdoor Cooking Heat-Resistant Gloves. These gloves are designed for the pitmasters out there. They come with insulated textured palms in order to manage hot, wet, and greasy meat at your grill. The extended design that it has helps in protecting most of your arm. They grate not just for grilling but also for frying. These gloves are easy to out in and off with the XL size that they have. These gloves come with a double-layer soft cotton liner. This provides maximum comfort and insulation from extreme heat. The gloves also have a loose fit in order to provide cooling and comfort at the same time. With a BPA-free food-grade neoprene, then you can be sure that it is safe from melting and is also fire-resistant. Since those gloves are stain, oil, water, and grease-resistant, then it makes cleaning it a breeze. You just need to wash it with a little water and soap and hang it out to dry. So if you are fond of frying, grilling and all activities involving heat, then these heat-resistant gloves are a must. We also have a list of the best barbecue grill mats that you might like to check. Number 4. Grill Armor Gloves Revolutionary Oven Gloves. Individuals who are searching for both EN 407 certified up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit and 100% water and to liquid proof, then the new Grill Armor Gloves is the one for you. You always have to remember though that when testing any gloves for its heat capacity to test it out first in cold water. This will help you determine if there are no leaks on it. With the help of thousands of customer feedback, the Grill Armor Gloves are made with the customers in mind. They have been created in order to give its customers the best all-around heat-resistant glove available in the market today. It has a lining made from a special blend of aramid together with cotton and polyester. The outer layer is made from a tough, flexible, natural latex material. The Grill Armor Gloves have the combined quality of both knitted gloves and silicone gloves. Number 3. EcoGrips Barbecue Oven Gloves. The EcoGrips is one of the best brands that you can have in the market today. They have created barbecue gloves that have become a standard in the market today. The EcoGrips Barbecue Oven Gloves will give you peace of mind since it is made from heat-resistant silicone and is designed to prevent rips and tears. This will ensure that you will be protected against burns every time you cook. These gloves also help prevent burns on your wrist since it has an extra long cuff. The EcoGrip barbecue gloves are also BPA-free, waterproof and dishwasher safe. This makes cleaning it a breeze. It doesn't retain any stain or smell, making it ready to be used every time you reach for it. And since the company prides itself with the quality of their products, that the EcoGrip barbecue gloves have a lifetime replacement. If you are not happy with the products, they also offer a money-back guarantee with no questions asked. Number 2. Love This Kitchen Premium Silicone Barbecue Gloves and Grill Gloves. For barbecue lovers, these gloves are an indispensable tool. Designed exclusively for men, these gloves are rugged but are also very flexible. They are made from 100% heavy-duty silicone, which gives it its safe and comfortable characteristics. Handling hot utensils, grill racks, and even meats will no longer be a problem. These gloves are 3 inches longer than the usual gloves, which are great for added heat protection. Unlike any other materials, these gloves are 100% food safe and can be easily cleaned by hand or dishwasher. No matter what your hand size is, these gloves got you covered. They are available in different sizes to ensure that comfortable and exact fit. With the right design, practicality and style, then these gloves have, then you can definitely get 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 1. Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Oven Gloves. If you are sick and tired of getting your hands burned every time you grill or do barbecue, then the Kitchen Perfection Silicone Smoker Oven Gloves is the one for you. These gloves can resist 500 degrees of heat thanks to its waterproof, silicone double-layer component. They are also 11 inches long, which can be great in protecting not just your hands but your arms as well. The added cotton layer used in the gloves gives you that added comfort and durability. The cotton also avoids your hand getting sweaty as you are using it. These gloves have been created based on the things that top chefs are looking for in a barbecue glove. The non-slip grip not only works for handling barbecue, but they can also be utilized as pot holders. So, whether you are cooking indoors or at your barbecue grill, these gloves are for you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.